Hello, Ron, and everyone there at Top Leader Construction. My name is Charles Marine. We spoke briefly on the phone yesterday when you called me back. Thank you for doing that. And I said I was going to shoot you a video showing you what I do and showing you how you can get more clients coming in through your door. I'm part of Warley Digital. My name is Charles Marine, and we help small businesses save money from advertising by building their own assets, their own digital assets, which is basically your website. And why is that? Why do we do that? Well, we know these days about 90% of adults, when looking for local services, they use the internet, they use Google, So say I know that you do outdoor kitchens. I could come here and search for outdoor kitchens Los Angeles, and hopefully I would see you as one of the top ones here because it's known. Google put out some analytics that show about a year ago that show about 70% of people stay and click on the businesses on this very first page. So how do you get here? That's what I want to give you a few tips. You can use them, no harm, no foul. If you're not going to use them with me, you can give them to your website person or your SEO person. But I'm out just to help businesses get more clients in their own doors so that they can build their own, so that they can grow. All right, so the three things I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. Now, content has everything to do with your page. Everything that I am gonna highlight right now in blue, all the text, all the pictures, everything that Google scours the web and looking for content. Whenever someone does a search like outdoor kitchens Los Angeles, they look at the content of all the websites and they bring to the front the ones that are most relevant. Google suggests that you have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text, and I'll get to what authoritative means in a minute. But to optimize with Google, you need 1,000 to 1,500 words of text. So what I would do if I was you, I would add some more text and saturate it with keywords. Once again, keywords are the words that people will tap into Google to look for your service. By authoritative, I mean, like I said, showing what you do, who you are, where you can be found, and showing your services. Now, what's the importance of keywords? Well, let's see. If I search for outdoor kitchens in Los Angeles, I have a tool called Ahrefs, which is quite a popular tool, and I can use it to analyze websites and different keywords. So, for example, I can tell there are 50 people per month who search for this for this keyword, outdoor kitchens, and I can tell how many people go to which website. Now, I know you do outdoor kitchens, so it would be good for you guys to rank. Your competitors, Extreme Backyard Designs, they get about 18 people hitting their website because of that keyword, and they rank in the first position. I noticed you're all the way down here, and you're barely getting any traffic because you're in the 20th position in Google, which translates to about the fourth page. Like I said, 70% of people click on the first page. That's why these guys are getting all the volume up here. So it'd be good to saturate your website with the keywords that you want people to look for your business for. And also, along with content, the images that are on your page should be saved correctly. And by saved, I mean, if I look here, it says construction Los Angeles. I would say outdoor kitchen Los Angeles. That's a good keyword. I guess that already has a keyword. But I would save your pictures as keywords. For example, this here, Top Leader Construction logo. I would rather have called it something like our home remodeling Los Angeles, because I know that keyword has something to do with what you're doing. Second thing I want to talk about is citations. Citations have to do with this area of the search that I'm sure you've seen before on a Google search. You see the map and three companies. How do you rank here? How do these companies get to be here? Well, it all has to do with citations. Citations are anywhere on the internet that your business is listed. Your name, address, a phone number is listed exactly as it appears in Google. And Listed meaning listed in different directories. For example, Yelp.com, Superpages, YellowPages.com, the Better Business Bureau, Yext, Yelp, Dexnose, etc. The more authoritative directories you are in, the higher you will rank here. And to beat your competitors here, it's pretty simple. There are tools out there that you can go in, analyze your competitors' business, see how many citations they are and where they are, and match them. Make sure you're appearing in those same directories. Not only that, you want to outdo them. So get about 50 or more authoritative directories to put your business into, so that Google can tell you authoritative and will place you here at the top of the map pack. Third thing I want to talk about is backlinks. Backlinks have more to do with this organic listing section here that's below the map pack. Now, what is a backlink? A backlink is wherever a link to your website, to a page on your website, appears on a different website. For example, if there's a forum on home remodeling in Southern California, and they write a blog and they paste a link to your website on that blog, that is a backlink. Not all backlinks are the same, because same case, if it's a pizza forum in Chicago and they link to you, even though it's pizza, it might be a good forum, but it has nothing to do with your business. Google can tell that that's a spammy link because it has nothing to do with what you do. So it's good to analyze your competitors, see what good authoritative backlinks that they have, and then match them or do more. And that's pretty easy. I'm going to just show you a quick example. I'll take your competitor's website and place them into my tool called Ahrefs. Again, this is a popular tool. And now if I analyze their website, I can tell the number of backlinks they have, what keywords that they're ranking for, etc. They do not have that many backlinks. It's possible to beat them. Let's see, if I click on their backlinks, you can tell exactly where they're mentioned, and it would be the job of your website or SEO person to go out and find what backlinks your competitors are listed on, and then be able to place your link there and look for even more authoritative backlinks. Once again, these organic keywords, I can tell what keywords that your competitor is ranking for and the position and traffic they're getting. And for example, built-in barbecue, there are 450 people searching for that every month. They get 16 out of those 400, and because their position is number 1. Now, if you were to strengthen the quality of your website, the content, the citations, the quality of backlinks on your website, you'd be able to rank better for all of these keywords. For example, let's look at Outdoor Grill Los Angeles. 20 people search for that per month. They get 0 traffic because they're in the 86th position. To get part of this 20 people would mean saturating your website with this keyword and then finding good backlinks to link to your website because of that keyword. So that's how to drive more traffic to your website. And like I was saying, if 90% of people use Google, 70% of them click on this first page, and we can analyze how much traffic you can get, how much volume you can get coming to your website if you're ranking first. It is very important to be able to rank first here. In a nutshell, that's what I do to help companies like yours drive more traffic to their website. If you like what I've said and you want to implement these tips, no harm, no foul. Give them to your website person or your SEO person to implement them. If you want to save time, and if you like this video and you want to talk more, once again, my name is Charles Marine with Warley Digital, and here's my contact details. You can actually email me at charles@warleydigital.com as well. I'll be very glad and very happy to talk to you about driving more traffic to your website. Thank you a lot, Ron, and everyone there at Top Leader Construction. Thanks for watching my video. Take care.